almost every conference that I've been to, I'm usually the only person who uses a wheelchair or has a disability. So it's very hard to connect with people who can kind of understand. So the way I would describe CRA IDEALS is this very tightly intimate community of people from marginalized groups who come together to learn about some of the things that they can do to succeed in academia and in their graduate life, and to kind of be in the same room with them and to share experiences with them and to hear about their experiences is very validating, and I think we don't find that a lot. So I think it's really important to create that safe space, and IDEALS does that. I started my PhD program at UW in 2018, the same year that the IDEALS started as well. So my first year at CRA IDEALS was also my first year as a graduate student. And I've had quite a journey, and I think that IDEALS has really helped me in going through that journey. So for example, choosing the right advisor, having a good work-life balance. I think I learned a lot from the workshop that I was able to then take it back to my community and to my personal life and kind of apply it. And CRA is one of the conferences that enables and provides us with the platform to do those things. There are challenges that we face that people would never understand, that people would never get the opportunity to understand. So I think by being here, you get that confidence of, I am around people who can understand what I'm going through, who can understand what I will go through. And at that point, when you feel that people can see you for who you are, there's an inherent confidence that gets boosted for you to feel like it's going to be okay. And I'm going to make great progress, and it's just going to be okay. And eventually I'll be seen for the work that I do and not for the disability that I have.